flash case. Oh shit. Camera rebound. Alright, we're here. I feel like every time it's some kind of like situation where I have to get into like a ride or whatever, that's like pretty epic or serious to me, like that I take serious, and I take all my rides serious, you know, but like, you know, have fun, but you know, like, you get to that point where it's kind of like I feel like everything's in like super stealth mode. It's just one of those moments for me, at least. Like, you gotta get your shit together. Make sure you like doing good stuff. Like, I forgot my balaclava. Actually, I couldn't really find it, and I didn't really waste any time. It's still really early out. Keep that sunrise. Alright, let's get the bike out. Alright, that's about 40 PSI in this snow here right now. Oh wow, man, this is freaking awesome. Wow. Sometimes it's best to keep on moving on, keep on keeping on. But that is just epic. I mean, for me, this is like one of my visited roads that I like to ride through all the time. This is the Greenway here, and it's a really beautiful area. I've never been over here with this much snow before. It's first time, so this is pretty dope, you know. So I'm gonna ride through up there. We'll see how that goes. But let's go ride through this snow. I was a little bit worried when I saw this trail. I was like, yo, I don't know if I can get to here. I should probably lower my PSI. I'd probably be able to crush this a little bit more. With the tires, at least. I wonder if I'm the only one on here. But let's just ride it to the end and back or something, you know? Fun. So no fat bike for me right now, but who knows, up there could be a little different. But it's pushing through here pretty nicely. Got some people here as well, which is cool. Let's say hello. Feeling good. Whoa. The Surly's doing really well. Man, this truck is putting it in. So I'm psyched. I thought my tire pressure might have been too hard, but it seems to be working out pretty well. But it's definitely like a nice trail. I love the snow though. That's what I thought like I wouldn't like. Riding in the snow. This isn't so bad at all. Yeah. But yeah, it's bike is fucking eating it up though, man. Surly long haul trucker. Yeah. This turn can be kind of tech because it slopes down at the dead center of the curve. So, be careful here. Yeah, almost took that one. Alright, so decided to go this way. So we're gonna peel through here. Let's see if we can get onto a different connection. Off the beaten path. Alright, so we are on the road here currently. Going to another trailhead. And I couldn't be happier to be out riding on this beautiful day. Post 2017's first storm. Oh, that's so beautiful. We got 9 seconds across the street. I love doing that. Yeah, so, yeah, it's just such a beautiful day out to be walking or riding, enjoying the snow, you know. It's just a totally different element of nature that sort of catches me by surprise. Because you never know how cold it's going to be in the snow. You never know what kind of snow it may be. It could be like the thick snow, those slushy stuff that can make you slip. You know, I don't know, it's all fucking freezing. That's how it gets like that anyway, you know? So, yeah, man, but this completely paints a different canvas on how you adapt to the conditions, you know? So, here I am, trying to adapt here. And so far, I think I'm doing pretty alright. I am riding on the road. I didn't pick up the trailhead yet, but I am looking forward to seeing if, you know, whatever happens, happens. The challenge is ahead. So anyway, hope you're on your bike. If not, hope you are inspiring to ride or do some sort of activity or just enjoy your day, or they could be watching anything on Netflix, a cool documentary. I watched a sweet movie on Netflix the other day. Oh. And by the way, Happy New Year, guys, 2017. Fresh start. Let's do this. Let's do it together. Let's do it on the bike. Let's do it through travel. Let's do it through food and health. It's the facts of life. Well, call me back. I got you missed call. I was on a bike. Let me go back. Talk to you soon. Bye. Alright, on a quick fast. Battery's gonna die. Kinda don't know exactly where I am right now, but alright, so phone died, camera died on my GoPro. Just got back to the car. There was a sketchy section that I kind of wasn't familiar with, so I bailed out because I didn't really know where I was going. So I went back, ended up at my car, and I had to go. So I hope you enjoyed the video. and the trail and everything. That was my first snow ride ever. that like serious into, you know, a first storm for the year. And it was pretty tech too. Some sections were pretty tech, especially after my camera died. There was some tech sections. So I don't know, if we get another storm I'll go back out, but other than that, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed. Subscribe, like, comment. See you guys in the next video. I pedal over everything. Peace.